Hello, good day everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys hero section, but along with the hero section, I'm going to be doing the navbar and the hero section in less than some minutes. So let's get started. But before I get started, I have an anthem. The anthem is known as the Human Equilibrium Anthem. New life, new us, new us, new life. Everyone deserves a good life. Let us stand and prevail. We shall be one and a team. Human equilibrium will reign. We are one and we shall prevail to attain human equilibrium is our goal. So now let's get started. Thank you. I'll go into my Visual Studio Code. Yes. So as usual, I've created a folder named hero section, which I have a file in it, hero.html. So I'm going to shift exclamation mark to give me the automatical doc type, so automatically generate the doc type for me. So inside my body, I will be giving a div. Oh, that's a mistake. So I'll come into my body. I'll be giving a div dot nav. So inside this div dot nav, I'm going to be having h1, or let me just do h1 dot logo. h1 dot logo. This is supposed to be logo, not logo. So in here I'm going to have my logo. I can use a text for the logo. Maybe I can use bag, then dot. So in here I can have my unordered list, then my list. So I would want to have a list of 5 or 4. So I can just do my shift out. Sorry, let me just first enter, then shift out, down arrow key. I think it's okay like this. So yeah, I can do my home. I can have my services. I can have my, or let me put about here. About. I can have my services. I can have my contacts. No, let me put contact us. Contact. So I think this is just okay for now. Let's make it 4. So now this is my navbar section. So let's see, and on live server, go to live server. So we'll wait for it to. So now you can see all what we did. This is the logo, and this is our list, our links, our sections. So now let's go back and continue. We can come here and style. We need to style it. So go into the head and create a styling tag. So in this style tag, we are having the nav. Let's create a nav dot nav. So in this dot nav, we want to display flex, then we save. So let's go back and see what's it. So we've displayed flex and we've saved, and you can see they are now in same what container flex box, both the logo and the list. So now what we want to do is to give them a justified content. So go back here and give a justified content. Justified content, we put a space between them, save, and go back. You can see there's a space between them now. So now what we want to do now is to make sure that this home, about, service and contacts, they are in what same flex box. So what do? We go back here and we go to our, so those, they are in actually in the, let's see, this ul, you can just put .navul, .navul. We want to put a display flex. Let's see if this will work. Then we save and go see if it's all. Yeah, it actually worked. You can see they are now what's in the same flex box. They are now in the same container. So now what we want to do is, since they are over each other, we need to separate them. So how do we do that? So let's see if a gap will work. A gap of 40 pixel for each. Yes, a gap will work. So we've given them a gap of 40 pixels. Now we want to give each of them, I want to give it a margin right, so that it will shift to the right. So let's go. I want to give it a margin right, so all will be shift from the right, so that there will be space from the right side a little. So let's give it like 20 pixel and then save and go back. And so you see we now have a space from the right side of the site. So now what do? So we have actually created our logo. We have actually created I want to give it a little padding of 20 pixel, or a little margin. Let's make it, should we make it padding or margin? Let's try padding. Padding of 20 pixel. So now let's see our results. It's too down. Let's make it 10 pixel. It's too down. Let's see it now. I think it's okay now. It's okay now. So what is remaining now is to give it a background color. So let's give it a background color of any color. Let's make it black. Let's save and see the results. So you can see it's black, but our write-ups are not showing again. So let's give it a color, a test color, which is a color of what white, so that we can see what we have written. As you can see, we have created the, let's give our logo a padding also. Let's give our logo a padding, so we can just come here and do .logo, then we give it a padding of what 20 pixels, so to have a padding all sides, both to top, right, bottom. So you can see it has affected the, okay, it has affected everything. So let's not give it a general padding. Let's give it a padding left of 20 pixels, so that to shift from the left, it will be, yes, you can see it's now okay. Because of time, I will stop here and maybe do a video of our hero section, but this is just the nav section, so I'm going to do the hero section in this same file. Thank you very much, and God bless you as you watch my video, and I hope you get to learn better.